Hey guys, welcome to the 20th Autodesk Inventor tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to continue looking at the Revolve tool. And basically what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is revolving this geometry around this axis 180 degrees. So in the previous tutorial we revolved everything 360 degrees or all the way around, and in this tutorial we only want to revolve it half that. So just like the previous tutorial, you're going to want to have some sort of geometry and an axis. And once you have that, just go ahead and click Finish Sketch up here. Then you're just going to want to go up to the Revolve tool just like before, and you're going to want to select the profile and the axis. And the profile for me is just this shape, and the axis is just this line. And once you have both of those selected, it just gives you a preview of what your revolution will look like. And currently ours goes all the way around, so 360 degrees. And we only want it to go around 180 degrees, which is half that. So right over here it says full, and we're going to want to change that to angle so that we can specify the exact angle that we want it to revolve around. So we're just going to go ahead and click this right here and then go ahead and select angle. And right now it gives us the opportunity to select the angle that it will revolve, and we want to make that 180. So I'm just going to go ahead right here and type in 180. And now it just revolves this around 180 degrees, which is exactly what we wanted. But before I click OK here, let me just explain what all this does. So this right here will basically just allow you to swap the direction that it revolves in. Currently it revolves clockwise, so it goes around this way. Well, what if you want it to revolve around this way? All you have to do is just go ahead and click this button. And right now mine goes in direction 2, but if yours is already going in direction 1, just go ahead and click direction 2 right there, and it will change the direction. So since mine is in direction 2, I'm just going to go ahead and change it to direction 1. And now, as you can see, it just basically changes the direction that it revolves in. So now it revolves counterclockwise. Alright, and let's just take a look right here at what this does. This is the symmetric, so it basically just means that it will revolve it around 90 degrees this way and 90 degrees this way. So no matter what, this sketch right here, your original sketch, will always be in the middle of your revolution. So I'm just going to go ahead and select symmetric, and yep, as you can see, it just goes around 90 degrees that way and 90 degrees that way. Alright, and if we were to change this to 90, we would see that it goes 45 degrees this way and 45 degrees this way. So yep, our sketch will always remain in the center of our revolution right there. Alright, but we want it to go around 180 degrees, not 90. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that back to 180. And the last thing right here basically allows you to select how many degrees it goes around each direction. So let's say you want it to revolve around 20 degrees this way and 180 degrees that way. Well, you can do that. So we're just going to go ahead and select this right here. And right now it revolves 180 degrees this way and 90 degrees this way for a grand total of 270 degrees. Well, we only want it to go around 180, so we're going to have to change one of these up, and I'm going to make this 20 degrees right here, so it revolves 20 degrees around that way, and I'm going to change this to 160 degrees, so it revolves 160 degrees around that way for a grand total of 180 degrees. So now overall this just revolves 180 degrees around, 20 degrees in this direction and 160 degrees in that direction. So we have accomplished our task. We can just go ahead and click OK right there, and as you can see it just revolved that shape around 180 degrees. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.